Hello guys, how are you? I believe everything is going fine. As you know, this is our crash program regarding the cryptocurrency. So, especially for the beginner and also for the professionals. I always request the newcomers on this platform, they should go back and visit my previous videos where I discuss everything regarding the basics of the cryptocurrency, what is cryptocurrency and how it works and what kind of technology is running behind the cryptocurrency. And if they want to start their trading online in cryptocurrency, they should definitely visit our previous videos and then they can start trading online in cryptocurrency. So guys, as you know, me and my team always try our best to give you the best knowledge regarding the cryptocurrency and what's going on in cryptocurrency market globally. So I always request you please subscribe for more and please subscribe, like and check bell icons to promote this channel for the other people, for the educational purpose and for the benefit for the other people. So, guys, please do subscribe and like and check bell icon so you can get easily the new update videos notification when you check the bell icon. So come to the point, and we today our topic is mining difficulty. What is mining difficulty? So let me go in Google and let me see what Google is saying about the difficulty, mining difficulty. Let me open. I already opened this page. What does meaning difficulty mean? I mean, what is meaning of difficulty? What is mining difficulty means? So mining difficulty is a unit of measurement used in the process of mining a cryptocurrency such as Bitcoin and refers to how difficult and time consuming it is to find the right hash for each block. So let me explain in my words what Google is trying to say here. Guys, as you know, there are there are number of blocks in the blockchains. I mean, blockchain is made with the different blocks. Every block is connect with each other, and then they make the chain. It's called blockchains. So in if a miner wants to add a block in a blockchain, he will or he should resolve the puzzles or any puzzles resolve the puzzle to add the block in the blockchains. So what he do when he resolve the puzzles, then he add the block in the blockchain. So a block have a header where he have four items in this block, and I mean four information in the block. So miner will resolve each and everything. That I already have some points, bullet points here. We discuss what the block having in their header. One thing is timestamp nonce hash of his previous block miracle root. These four things values the miner should know about the value of these four things. Miner should know the value of all value of these four things, so then he can resolve the puzzles to add the block in a blockchain. So when a miner uh, uh, trying to add a block in a blockchain, he will put a technique on the header of the block, which is called SHA-256. SHA-256 is a technique where he can resolve the puzzle, and after solving this puzzle, then he can able to add this block in the blockchain. But before solving this puzzle, he should have these four things values, which I already told you. Which the first one is timestamp, second one is nouns, hash of, third one is hash of his previous block, and miracle roots. The miner have three things. The miner will have three values of out of four things. Timestamp, he have the value. Hash of his previous block, he have the value. Miracle root, he have the value, but he didn't have the value of nouns. So here he tries to put the value, uh, uh, put the value with the technique of add and try. First, suppose if he have the nouns value 7, it means he have the value of fourth item. He will apply these four values on the header of the block and resolve our answer. When the answer is less than difficulty level, so then he can apply the then he can add this block in the blockchains. Why miner wants to add the block in blockchain? In after adding the block in the blockchain, he will definitely get some rewards. So every miner trying to solve this puzzle immediately, and wants to add this block in the blockchain so he can get the rewards. So every 10 minutes a block will be added in a blockchain. I mean, every 10 minutes a one block should be added in a blockchain. If if a block if a block is not adding after 10 minutes, I mean, if the block is adding before 10 minutes in a blockchain, then it means the difficulty level is very less. And as one thing I will tell you, the difficulty level of mining difficulty level all keeps always change. So the formula of this the change of value of difficulty level is after 14 day every 14 days. After every 14 days, the difficulty level will be changed. So difficulty level is different for each of network of the blockchains. So difficulty level might be changed for one network of blockchain, and it will be different for another blockchain. It will be changed, and I mean different network of different blockchains have the different difficulty levels. So this is all about the mining difficulty in a blockchain. To if a miner and want to add the block in a blockchain, so he should resolve the puzzles, and the answer should be uh, uh, greater than difficulty level, so he can easily add the block in the blockchain. So guys, this is all about the mining of difficulty in blockchain. Thank you very much for watching this video. We will see you in next video. Bye bye. Thank